soft right there.
Yes, it is. You need to tell the pink thing. Pink.
Listen. Good night, Stitch. I know that's bright. Good night, Stitch. His little fur right here is soft. You know, he always gets. Hey, what are you doing? Did we wake you up, buddy? Oh,
We woke you up.
Good,
Okay,
good night, Stitch. We love you. Say good night.